Hello viewers across the globe, welcome to InfoDem. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to freeze Excel rows, how to freeze Excel columns, how to freeze both rows and column at the same time, and how to fix multiple rows and multiple columns at the same time. So this video is 4 in 1. So I want you, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video and share this video if you want to be seeing more of this type of video. So what we need to do now, let us go straight into the video. For example, so if you want to fix row, let's give it a color. Okay, if you want to fix the top row, or you want to fix your heading, that is the first row, all you need to do from here, you go to view. Once you get to view, you come to freeze pane. As you can see, freeze pane here, you want to freeze only the row. The second one here, you click it. If you have done that, you have successfully freeze the row. So as you can see, it's already freeze. That's how to freeze top row. If you want to fix column, let's highlight it again. Let's highlight it, okay, maybe to this place. Okay, let's give it another line, another color. As you can see, the next thing you need to do is to go to, you highlight it and go to view. You go to view, come here. As you can see, freeze first column. When you click this, it has been freeze successfully. So now you can do it. As you can see, it has been freeze successfully. Now, how do you freeze both row and column together? Okay, let's say we want to freeze multiple row. Now I can highlight it. Let's give it a color. Yeah, let's give it a color. Let's give it same color. Then this is our column. Let's highlight it and give it a color again, different color entirely. Now, how do I highlight columns, multiple columns and multiple rows, and I want everything to be stable whenever I'm doing my work? How do I achieve that? The next thing you need to do, if you have gotten the number of columns and number of rows that you want to highlight, you come to their point of intersection here, the next cell here, you click it. Once you click it, you come to view. You come to view, then you come to your freeze pane. The next thing you need to do now, click the first freeze pane that you see here. Keep rows and columns visible while the rest of the worksheet scroll. You just click it. It's as simple as that. You have successfully freezed your multiple column and your multiple row. So let's see what happened now. As you can see, it's going on. It has been successfully freezed. Then this side too, as you can see, it has been successfully freezed. So that is how to freeze multiple column and multiple rows at the same time. The same method can be applied to first column and first row if you want the two to be freezed at the same time. So that is how you go about it. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to InfoDem, share this video so that you can get more of this type of video as soon as it is uploaded. Till I see you in my next video, I want to say be good and know that Jesus is Lord.